How to renew driving license online in Florida. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to book your appointment and setting up or on the renewal date of your driving license, specifically in Florida. It's pretty much doable. And of course, the most convenient way of doing it is via online. Now, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Florida license renewal online. You'll see the results from here. So the very first thing that you want to do is to choose on the first one, renew or replace. This will allow us to find the specific fees or the specific payments that we need to do first so that we will be able to have it confirm and verify renewal. So these options or these informations that is showing on your screen are their prices and doing everything online. Now, once you have done the informations of fees page, go back into the Florida's driving license renewal tab, then click this option here that says online renewal. We will now then be redirected onto the page that you need to fill out. So from here, make sure that you have either of these payment methods and then just simply choose on I agree and hit on continue so that you can start and fill out the form. And that's how you renew driving license online in Florida.